One thing, guys, that you absolutely never, ever, ever want to do is leave your truck in. Hello, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, my name's Steve. That's Heather in the background putting stuff in the Bell. Bell is a 2019 Ram. Finally got her all fixed up from the body shop. Put a new fender flare here from a previous shopping market parking lot incident. We don't know how that got damaged, but that's all fixed. We got the valance on the back bumper. And Bell smells kind of like horse manure. The wife, she was driving through horse poop. I'm just kidding, guys. That actually happened, I think, on our way home from our daughter's music. What is it? Music? Night of the Arts. She plays the flute, so they had a little event at school, and we took some back roads home, and I think we hit some, well, Amish paradise. We got horse dung or cow manure or whatever all the way down the side of the truck, and the guys at Case Collision just loved me. He's like, I couldn't wait to get this truck out of the shop. I'm going to give you guys a little insight of some things to look out for if you have a 2019 Ram. And by all means, we love this truck. We are very happy with this truck, but there are some issues. I personally think that it was directly related to my crash where I banged up Bell's booty. There's a couple variables involved. Even Bruce at Case Collision said it took a long time for those backup sensors to pick up the fence at his shop.
Man.
Also, you also admit too, driving this thing at night, backing up the driveway, you have no light output at all. Correct. And I'm gonna show you that. We're gonna show you that there's no light output at all in the back of this truck. So it's like
spoiled with the 4Runner.
The 4Runner and the Beast. The Beast has amazing 1,000 lumen reverse light bulbs that, you know, they rock. And this thing, there's absolutely none. You got no light to the back of the truck. So we're gonna go to safety and driving assistance. And if I had this activated, this would have stopped me from crashing into a parked vehicle. Although I don't see it. Where is it?
Right there.
Oh, right there. So rear park sense braking assist is actually what it's called. We're gonna turn that on, and I'm gonna explain why I had that shut off. I'm actually gonna do more than explain. I'm gonna show, and the wife's gonna hold the camera. Our driveway, as many of you guys know, it is very steep at the beginning of the driveway, which basically renders this feature useless, because every time you try to back up your driveway, well, we're gonna show you. Boom! There we go. We didn't even get to the driveway, and it stopped on us. So that was our, here, we'll do it one more time. All right, we're backing up.
Whoa!
There you go. So that's why we can't have that active park assist activated. Every time we try to back up the driveway, it slams the brakes on and stops you. So
I act surprised every time. I know it's gonna happen.
Well, it doesn't normally happen.
Well, yeah, when I have that off.
It slams the brakes on. So all right, let's back up to the Beast. I'm gonna turn the sensors off. Actually, no, we'll keep them on. We'll keep them on and see how quick it is to stop.
Don't really hit it though.
No, I don't want to hit the Beast. So we're in green, right there. I mean, all right, let's try this again. Actually, I'm going to turn the sensors off. Not the backup sensors, but the park sense braking.
Just giving you a warning, the girls' bus will probably be home any second.
Okay, so we're gonna turn that off. It's not telling me my speed. This has got to be less than 5. All right, it started clicking there. So like, I don't know how far that green line is from the back of the truck. We can get out and look, but it doesn't start beeping
until you're in yellow.
Until you're almost in yellow. If you're going 5 miles per hour or more, and it starts hitting, you don't have a lot of reaction time to stop. You are going to collide with whatever you have. And when it's dark, you're adding the dark and no view back here, because all you have is these little LEDs right here. They don't put any light output at all behind the truck. You just got to be careful. You just have to be careful backing these 5th gen Rams up. But I'm going to come up with a solution, little different direction from Headlight Revolution. Here's the school bus. Our kids are getting off. Hi. Little different solution than I was going to originally do with Headlight Revolution, but it's going to be good. It's going to be very clean. It's going to be what we use on emergency vehicles, what 10-8 emergency vehicles uses, and I think it's going to look really good. And it's not going to be like an overkill, like off-road accessory light. It's merely going to be for backing up. That's it. Because I don't want my wife to experience the pain and heartache that I've experienced damaging Belle's booty.
I don't want a reason for him to bust my chops like I was busting his.
But Belle is back. I have to give her a bath because she's got horse manure or cow crap, or she's got stuff all over her, guys, and she's smelly right now. So we got to fix her up. We got to clean her up. But as you guys can see with that nighttime footage of us backing, there's absolutely no light output.
It's very dark when backing up, and the light in our outside doesn't pop on until you're halfway up the driveway, so it would be nice if I had brighter backup lights.
And again, I love this truck. I really do. I love the interior of this truck. I love the way this truck handles on the road. But these mirrors, I mean, why? Why is this here? My truck, it's on the side here. It would be more beneficial if it was down here, but this blind spot that I always use for backing up, I use this to guide my back tire up, the distance between my back tire and the side of the driveway, or wherever I'm backing up. I use this blind spot mirror, and I can't use this one and this mirror because it's up too high. You can't even see the dang on tires. It should be down here. I don't know. Comment below. Let me know your thoughts of what you think about this mirror, the backup, brake, park sense, whatever sensors. What are they called?
I don't have a problem with it. I think I'm just used to it. You have to get used to it.
I don't know, man.
Man up. Did you shut it off?
Shut what off?
The sensor?
Yeah. Well, we'll see, won't we?
Oh.
We'll find out really quick. I love it. She jumped, guys. She jumped. All right. That was funny.
Oh, you took the trash down. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you for packing the trash up.
Yeah.
One thing, guys, that you absolutely never, ever, ever want to do is leave your truck in drive and turn the ignition off. What?
However, could we know how that does that?
Yeah, how do we know that it does that?
I may not have ran into a parked car or run over a ladder, but I may have shut the car off without putting it in drive.
So Ram does have you covered in that aspect. So let me know your thoughts on what you think of the rear park sense braking assist and the 5th gen Rams. Let me know if you think it's great, but it doesn't really work all the time. In our case, that's our issue. I mean, we would love to have it activated all the time, so maybe that accident that I had could have been avoided, but we have it turned off because we can never back up our drive when we always back up the driveway. And that's what we're working with down there. That's our incline. It doesn't look like much on camera, but it's a lot. It's a lot.
People will probably tell us just to shut it off and turn it back on as we're coming up and down the driveway.
That's a pain in the butt, though.
I know.
If there's a quick button for it, it'd be cool, but you got to go in, hit settings, go to here, da 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 da. Yeah, it's not easy.
Guess what you guys missed earlier today? Gary washed his truck.
Oh no, we missed that. Check out Gary's truck. I did speak with Gary, and he's game about being back on the channel. So we'll have to set something up. We'll figure something out. We'll get him back on the channel. I was trying to maybe
power washer out and everything.
Nice. I was trying to coordinate with Headlight Revolution to give him some lighting upgrades. So maybe we can do something with his truck, get some lighting upgrades.
Yeah, buddy.
But he's a good sport. He's all about it. I told him he's YouTube famous now. So, Also, real quick, I just want to thank you guys, everyone who's placed their AMSOIL orders through bsynthetics.com. We're growing. It's noticeable. It's very noticeable, and I got a lot of people hitting me up for additional information and what have you. So always check out the website, bsynthetics.com. If you guys are interested in becoming a dealer like me, that's how I started. I actually started as a preferred customer, and then I upgraded to becoming a dealer because it actually pays for itself. You sell a little bit of AMSOIL, and then you pay for your $50 yearly membership. It's perfect. So if you guys are interested in that, if you have a business where you need to service your own equipment, hit me up. There's commercial accounts for that. I have a couple commercial accounts. If you are a shop and you want to sell AMSOIL and use AMSOIL in your services, hit me up. There is a retail account for that. You can sign up through me. They are no cost. Commercial and retail accounts are no cost, and you can sign up through me. It benefits us, benefits the channel, helps support us. And again, thank you so much. I appreciate it. I know you guys, I tell you guys this all the time, but it means a lot to us so we can continue doing what we do with, you know, Belle. We got Gaston now, and we got the beast way down yonder who needs some fueling upgrades that we've been slacking on, but my schedule's been kind of crazy between working full-time, getting my schedule shifted in a couple weeks to work some night shifts. Haven't really done that a whole lot in the last 5 years. Every now and again I have to work a couple night shifts. The wife loves it when I do. It's tough. It's tough trying to make content, work full-time, coordinate all this stuff with the cars, and then still try to keep content flowing. So we're doing it though. We're having fun doing it. Just trying to fit it in every minute that I can, even on the weekends. And that's another thing too, guys. Just remember, like, no matter how busy you get, like you want to grind constantly, you want to keep working and bettering yourself, but never forget one thing: family is important. So I got to spend a lot of quality time with my family this week, and actually, Kylie had her first Holy Communion. If you're following us on Instagram, you would have saw some little snippets of it in our story feed, and Kendall had a little recital like I was telling you earlier last night. So just remember, family first and then grind. So, you know, don't get caught up in everything else. If there's any advice I can give you. Anyway.
I'm fishing for an attaboy.
An attaboy? Why? Oh! Attagirl.
Yeah.
She cleaned out Gaston, who was a mess. He was dirty inside.
He was dirty.
Yeah, I need to wash him too. Maybe we should wash Belle, get all the manure off Belle, and wash. No?
You can.
Come on, you gotta get. Belle looked like drove through a cornfield or something.
I didn't drive
or a mud pie field.
Listen, I have to. I love you, but I just don't want to.
Okay. I hope you guys found this video informative. I hope it gave you some insight on these 5th gen Rams. Again, not knocking Ram at all. We love Belle.
And I don't, like I said, I'm opposite of him. I don't have a problem with the mirrors. I do have a little problem with it being dark when I back up, but I haven't hit anything yet.
Stop rubbing it in. It could happen to you guys, trust me.
It could happen.
I'm a professional driver.
If anybody saw my Instagram story today, you know how I feel about that.
No, you ran through the mud pies.
Boss. Go to my Instagram page. It's not even a story, it's on the page. This is Ramby's Projects.
It's not, they're not going to see it. Oh, it's on your page?
It's on my page.
Well, that's crap.
Literally.
Mud pie.
Not my crap.
Mud pie driver. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're stopping by for the first time, make sure you tap, smash, do something to that subscribe button, hit that notification bell.
Ding ding.
We love you guys. We'll see you on the next upload.
Dude.
I am clay barring all the manure off the side of Heather's truck. And look who stopped by. Gary.
Hey.
Gary, tell us about your remedy for wasps making nests in your mirrors.
Oh, Windex.
Windex.
Oh, by the way, you know, buy all that expensive bug spray and whatever bad for the environment. Windex on ants and wasps works like a charm.
No
Knocks
kidding.
them right down. Kills them almost instantly.
See? Always learning on our channel, guys. All right, well, I got to get back to clay barring the manure off the side of the wife's truck. I've already went through 3 buckets of soap water, and yeah, I mean, this side's done. Just got to finish washing this side, but I couldn't wait. You know, Heather vacuumed out Gaston, so I have to at least return a favor by cleaning her truck.
And cleaning and getting the tailgate fixed.
Yeah, and we got the, you know, you're adding insult to injury, but it's all fixed. It's all fixed.